Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be on why you should stop wearing skinny jeans. Now I know that's a bit of a strange title and maybe a little bit aggressive, maybe. And I thought the same thing when I came across some articles titled similar to this too. But actually when I read through them and the points were made, I actually agreed with quite a lot of them. Sometimes skinny jeans can be uncomfortable, they can dig in at your hips, they can feel too tight around your legs, especially when you're out having a meal and they feel so tight. There's nothing worse than that. And also apparently skinny jeans are meant to be going out of fashion this year too. That's if we listen to the fashion rules. I don't, but anyway. So I thought, okay, if we're not supposed to wear skinny jeans, what are we supposed to wear instead? So that got me thinking, and I ordered lots of different styles that I could find online of jeans. I'm talking about mum jeans, balloon jeans, never heard of those. And I'm gonna be rating all of the jeans on three different categories for style, comfort, and also their versatility. So how many outfits I feel like I could get out of them. Are they a staple like my skinny jeans? That is what we're going to find out. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll leave links to everything down below in the description box if you want to check any of them out. And let's just start. So the first pair of jeans I'm starting with are these, which are from New Look, and these are called balloon jeans, and I've never actually heard of this style before. So these are the balloon jeans, and they actually fit pretty well. They are a little bit tight around the waist, and I don't know if that's just because I need a size up, maybe. But I think that's actually the style of them. I think they're meant to be really skinny around the waist and then balloon out on the leg. So around the leg, they're actually really comfortable, but I actually feel like these look pretty cool. So on a style rating, I would give these 5 out of 5. I feel like these would look really trendy, and with a pair of trainers, and I think you could even wear heels with this as well, I think they would look really kind of fashionable. Comfort, just because I feel like they would probably dig in a little bit when you sit down. I would give these maybe a 3 out of 5. And for versatility, now I'm not really sure what you could wear these jeans with other than a tight fitting top. I feel like if you wore a baggy sweatshirt, it would probably just look way too baggy and oversized. So I feel like a top like this is probably the best thing you could wear with this style of jeans. So for that, I think I will give them a 3 out of 5 as well. Again, I'm not really sure how they would look with a jacket on. Maybe a kind of cropped at the waist jacket would look cool with this, but anything too long, I think it might look a little bit strange. But yeah, do you know what? I actually really like this style, and I'm surprised because when I ordered them, I didn't think I'd like them at all. So let me know what you think to this style in the comments. So the next pair of jeans I'm trying on are a pair of mum jeans, and I really like mum jeans because I think they're the closest to a skinny jean, but they're also kind of fashionable as well. I think the best way to describe a mum jean is that it's fitted around the waist, but it goes kind of into a straight leg style as it goes down the leg. So it's basically tight around the top but straight leg at the bottom, and I think it's a really flattering style of jeans. I know a lot of people don't think they are, but I actually think they are, and I actually own quite a few pairs already, so I'm really comfortable kind of changing these up for my skinny jeans from time to time. So these are just in a kind of faded black pair from ASOS, from their petite collection. They've got loads of choices of mum jeans on their site, but I also really like Topshop and River Island mum jeans as well. And I think mum jeans are great all year round. You can wear them with heels for a night out, or you can wear them with trainers or even boots casually. I think they look really good. So for comfort, I really like my mum jeans, so I'm gonna give these a 4 out of 5, just because mum jeans aren't made out of a stretchy material. They're quite stiff, so again they can feel a little bit rigid until you've worn them in a little bit. For style, definitely a 5 out of 5. I love the style of the mum jeans. And for versatility, I feel like they're really versatile. You can wear them with so many different styles of outfits, different styles of jackets for winter, different styles of tops for summer. You can wear them with really tight tops, but I also feel like it looks good with kind of like a t-shirt tied up at the front as well. So I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 for versatility from me. So this pair of jeans I'm trying on are classed as a wide leg pair of jeans. These, I think if you were really fashionable and you were kind of going to like a fashion show or something like that, I feel like these would look very cool. But on me, right now, I don't like them. I feel like they look very dated on me. I don't know if it's because I'm just wearing it with this black top, and maybe I should style it a bit differently. But I feel like these can be really difficult to style. Again, I can't really imagine these would look great with any other top other than a tight fitted top. just because they're so wide. I do think the rips look pretty cool in these though, but I don't know if I'm going to be keeping these. I just don't feel like they suit me or will go with anything that I have in my wardrobe already apart from this top. I feel like when I see these online and I've seen other people wear them, I think they look really good, like really high-end fashion kind of looks. But I just feel like I would struggle to wear these on an everyday basis because I just wouldn't have a clue how to style them. I've put them with these heels because I feel like they look better with the heels than the trainers, because the trainers just look awful with these. So versatility, I feel like that's a complete 0 out of 5. Style on me, I don't think they're great, but on other people I do think they look good, so I'm gonna give them a 2 out of 5. And for comfort, they are actually really comfortable, and I don't feel like you get too hot on these in the summer either because they're quite breezy, especially with the rips in the knee. So I don't know, I guess they are pretty comfortable. Probably a 4 because I do feel like they'd be pretty comfortable, but yeah. Overall, I don't think I'll be keeping this style of jean. This pair of jeans are boyfriend jeans, and I actually really like boyfriend jeans. They're very, very similar to mum jeans in style, the fact that they're a straight leg. But these are slightly different because instead of them being high-waisted like mum jeans, these usually are low-rise or mid-rise, and I think these are in mid-rise. These are from River Island, and I actually really like these jeans. They usually come with some rips and stuff in just to make them a little bit kind of cooler and more kind of laid back, I guess, in style. I usually wear them with a kind of top like this though, a very fitted one on the top, just because they are quite baggy. So ratings wise for style, I really like them, so I'm gonna give them a 5 out of 5. For comfort, they're actually really comfortable as well, and especially because they don't press too much on your stomach because they're mid-rise instead of high-rise, I would also give these a 5 out of 5. So these are rating really quite high. For versatility, I do feel like they do look best on me anyway with tight fitted tops. That does limit me slightly, so I would give these maybe a 3 out of 5 just because you can't wear them with anything, but you can wear them with quite a lot of stuff. I feel like you can dress them up with heels, again for a night out look or for a meal, but you can also wear them with trainers like I have here for a casual look as well. I'm back. So I switched my top to a grey one because these next two pair of jeans are both black and I wanted you to be able to see where they finish and everything like that pretty clearly. So this next pair of jeans are a pair of flared jeans, and I actually quite like these. I think they look pretty cool, especially on other people, and I feel like styled right, they can look super fashionable. So these are them, and they are from ASOS again, and these are petite, so they do finish a pretty good length, although they're not perfect, I would say, on me. I feel like you still need to be a little bit taller to wear these well, but they do really elongate your leg when they do fit properly, so that's a really good thing if you're looking for a pair of jeans to kind of elongate your legs and make your legs look longer. Flared jeans definitely do that, kind of like a stretchy mix, I think. So that's pretty good if you're looking for something comfortable. So style wise, I'm gonna rate these a 4 out of 5. Again, I feel like styled right. I don't feel like this is the best way I've styled it at the minute, and also the length is a little bit off, but I feel like style wise these would look really good. Comfort, these are really comfortable again, so I would give these a 5 out of 5 actually, because they're not even that tight around the waist, they're pretty stretchy. And for versatility, I feel like I would give these a 3 out of 5. I feel like these are definitely more of a kind of out there, maybe probably better for a night out occasion with heels. I feel like they look really cool like that, but I'm just not 100% sure how I would style them on an everyday basis. The final pair of jeans I'm showing you today are a pair of low-rise skinny jeans. So I know these are skinny jeans, but I feel like they're completely different because they are low-rise, and I feel like low-rise jeans are very much neglected at the minute for mid-rise and high-rise, so I thought it'd be cool to kind of put these in and rate them. I don't feel like these look very good on me at all. I feel like they're just way too low, and because I've got short legs already, I don't want them to look any shorter, and they definitely make them look shorter too, and I don't feel like this is very flattering, especially tucked in. I do think I could wear these pretty well with a long flowy top, or you know, a t-shirt tied up at the front, kind of a bit lower down. I think that would look really good because you're kind of covering where the jeans finish. So for style, I'm gonna give these a 1 out of 5 just because I don't feel like they look very good on me. For comfort, these are very, very comfortable because they are low rise, so they're not pressing on your stomach. So I would give these a 5 out of 5 because they're very stretchy. I can move around in them very easy and you're not getting that pressure on your stomach. And for versatility, I would also give these, I think I would give them a 3 out of 5. Now obviously they are like skinny jeans, so you can wear them with lots of different things, but I don't feel like it would look very good wearing it with a crop top because I feel like there'd just be too much space here, and I feel like you'd have to be quite careful with what you wore with these so they don't look too unflattering. So yeah, I think probably 3 is a fair rating for them. And yeah, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have you been rating the jeans down below in the comments? Because I would love to know what you think and which styles were your favourite. Do you think you'll be switching any of your skinny jeans to any of these styles? I'm really not sure. I feel like if I had to pick one pair to switch them out with, I would probably pick the mum jeans because they're my favourite out of all of the styles. But I still really love my skinny jeans, and I think it's going to be really difficult for any kind of fashion rule to make us let go of them because they're just so versatile and they go with everything. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy it because that would mean so much to me. Honestly, I'm so grateful for every single one of you that does comment and likes and subscribes. It means so much. Have a great day and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.